In my last video about my Tigra swimming pool, I mentioned that I'd ordered a new switch. It's for the roof of the locks when it's come. I've half taken this one out, so I'm going to take it out and swap it for this and see if it miraculously makes the boot or the roof work. Oh, that was painful. Anyway, it's in. So I didn't unlock all the cars. Right, it's all unlocked. So theoretically, the boot switch that never worked. Let's see if it works. No. Crap. Start the engine and see if anything happens. See if any functionality works. There's the mirror switch with it. Yep. Left hand one. Yep. Locks. Yep. Window. Yep. Other one. Yes. Boot. No. Roof. No. So there you have it. I'm sure it's a big surprise. Changed the switch and it's made no difference at all. Brilliant. See you later.